we are here at the Loft Suite beachfront at the TRS Coral. And right here to the left is a half bath, which is actually pretty spacious. There's a sink here, and then the toilet is over here. You have a phone. So it's very spacious for a half bath. Storage space over here. And here is just storage space as well. And here it's just the electronic box. There's a space here where you can put your luggage or your shoes or whatnot. And then there's a closet space here. Closet space there. Okay, next. Here is the living room area. So it's 2 stories. Here's the stairs. So upstairs is another full bathroom and 2 beds, because there's 2 of us staying here. And this is where the wine cooler, snacks, refrigerator, everything is right here. So everything's there. You have your coffee pot, water, and then here's the refrigerator where all the snacks are. I already ate the Snickers in here, but there's some peanuts. That's that. Next is the bar area over here. We're still waiting on our alcohol. They're gonna bring us some alcohol. There's a chair here, and on the other side, they also gave us each a complimentary hat. But this is the bar area. Then you have a sitting area here. Nice decorations. The outside. And the TV is here. We have 2 TVs. We also have one upstairs. And then I will show you guys the balcony, which we have ocean side view. So I'm gonna show you guys that in a second. We also have a pool view. Okay, so this is the outside. This balcony is very spacious. So you have a jacuzzi here, which is very spacious. And on this side, there are 2 chairs with the table. And then this chair right here rotates. It's very comfortable. You have a spot here for your drink. And here is the view. We have a view of the pool. It's kind of dark and dim today because it rained. And then here is the ocean view right here, and there's the beach. Right down below are the swim up suites. And yeah. Even though it's dark and gloomy, everybody is outside. We're waiting on our food. We will be going down there next. And this is a view of the upstairs. So we're gonna go up there next. This is where our rooms are. I'm sorry, our beds. All right. Now we are gonna go upstairs. Upstairs. I have my slippers on, by the way. Okay, so these are our 2 beds. Here are 2 queen size beds. There's a place here for your luggage. Another TV. I believe these are 55-inch. There's some more space down here. We have another refrigerator, but this one only has water stocked up in it, which we'll need plenty. Oh, okay, there we go. Plenty of water, because you can't drink the water in Mexico nor brush your teeth with it. But here is the space underneath there. 2 beds. There's one there. Another one there. All right, and then here is the view from upstairs. So we just saw downstairs. Here's the view. And guess what? This door actually opens. Now, I wouldn't advise anybody who has had a couple of drinks to open this door, because there is a glass right here. But if you're not careful, you could go overboard. But here is the view. It's open air. I can put my hand out here. All right, now we're gonna go into the bathroom. So they have a little seating area here. Okay, so this is when you enter the bathroom here. So there's a full body mirror here right when you walk in. Then there's some cabinet space here. I'm sorry, storage space there. And then right next to it is more space for storage. And then right across, there's a lot of storage space. So there's a steamer here. And then there's your safe. More storage space. There's like a blow dryer in here. What's in here? Nothing. Closet space. And then here's more closet space. And we have robes with the shoes. I already have mine on. Here's the scale. And here is the rest of the bathroom here. Okay, so you have your 2 sinks here, double sinks, 2 mirrors that light up, the tub here, and these 2 doors are where the toilet is on this side and the shower is on this side. The light automatically comes on when you open the door. That is the toilet there. You have a phone, a trash can. This is the shower, which is very spacious. It's a rain head shower there. Goes all the way back there. So yeah, that is the room. That is the 2-story suite. And I like that the door is closed here for privacy if you're staying with someone else. All right.